Hi, my name is John Meinches, and this is my Business 101 presentation for Tim Klein's class. I really enjoyed this class. I thought it taught me a lot about different frameworks of business and different areas that I could focus on, and was able to get speakers and presenters to come in and teach me about each topic, which was very helpful, and got a better understanding for different areas of business, from Apple to Pizza Ranch to everything, and thought it was very beneficial. So how this class impacted me, I think I kind of knew where I wanted to focus before this, but now that I've kind of been in the business sphere for a little bit, I feel like I know where I want to end up and what my next steps will be. I think I like having case studies and ways to work with groups of people that I wouldn't normally work with, which is very common in the business world, and I thought it was good to work as a team to try and solve problems with human resources and maybe finances, things like that, and found it very helpful. My view of a biblical business, I think a Christian business is commonly thought of as groups like Hobby Lobby and Chick-fil-A, and I think that those are corporate Christian businesses, but I think that you can have Christian businesses be small or large, or anything in between, and it all starts with you. It depends on your mindset and how you treat other people. Obviously, the golden rule, treat others as you would want to be treated. Just treat them like what would Jesus do? How would he lead the workplace? How did he lead his disciples? And use that as your foundation in business, and think morally, and just try and be heartfelt in everything you do. Be truthful and understanding when it comes to being in the business sphere. Leadership is also very important. It's going to be strong without being power hungry, I guess. Like, you can be a Christian leader in the business sphere by just being an example, someone that people look up to. There's plenty. You can find plenty of those in the workplace, or just in general. People like Tebow or Matthew McConaughey, John Cena. These are all people who have strong Christian values and love to express them, and are leaders. That's just famous people, but there's definitely people behind the scenes too who work very hard, do in a Christian manner. My specific area of focus, I think I'm going to be in the marketing sphere. I think that interests me. I like the idea of what is a product, what causes a product to be successful, and how to market that, how to get people to buy that, what needs to be changed, just marketing in general. After hearing, I can't remember his name now, but the guy who came from Apple, just the things he had to say, like that seemed very interesting to me. Seeing that and just like that's where I want to end up, is somewhere in a position of success in the marketing area, and it could have technology woven into, because I think society is rapidly changing and we need people who are good with technology. We need people who know what to do with computers and can do design or advertising or things of that such. And I think that would be a good maybe minor or secondary focus for me going down the road. I'm not really sure what I want to do after college in marketing, like where I'll end up, or how to find good marketing jobs. Maybe I won't start in marketing. Maybe I'll start in finance or economics or something like that, and work my way over. Agents of Shalom. This is very important today because I think that we forget the world doesn't revolve around us, and it's good to be just a kind soul to everyone. Just be welcoming and understanding, and be able to work as a team without feeling like you like no one else brings anything to the table. Everyone brings something to the table, and it's important to understand that and be able to work with other people in a business environment where you might not get along with everyone, and you might not get along with all your customers. It's important to be agents of Shalom to your customers do. People might have complaints or things that don't make them happy with your product or your company, and write nasty things online or something, and you just need to turn the page and kind of take one off the face, kind of take it with a grain of sand. Didn't think of anything. Any metaphors? Agents of Shalom is important to realize in today's society. Backup plans. If business just completely just self-destructs for me, I think that there's many things that I could go into, but I enjoy just the camaraderie of being around other men, and I think that being a fireman would be interesting. Being able to save lives and have that as your job, like that seems just really, really great to me. And but also digital media. I like computers. I've always been a gamer. I think that it's a new up and coming area that we need people. It's very competitive, and we need people to step up. And there's always areas of design and advertising that can be found. So this was my project. I didn't really go into all the other specific branches of business, like finance, economics, but I think that everything that was taught in this course was beneficial in different ways. If for some reason I choose I want to be a financial advisor or do something in a different field of business, management perhaps, I think there's many different foundations that I've gained from this class that have given me opportunities to go into different fields. And obviously classes down the line will help with that too, with different core classes, but this is just the opening of the first chapter of business for me. First business class I've taken, first business class I've done in college. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the spring.